Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Turbo P. We are here at our shop at Boosted 6 Autowerks, and we have a really cool video for you guys. We will be dyno tuning this 2024 Nissan Z with Racebox out of Houston. They will be handling all the tuning. However, we will be doing the dyno portion of it over here in Florida. This car came to us with relatively a stock car. He wanted to install Z1 turbos, AMS fueling, our low pressure fuel pump, and several other mods. So this has the Z1 turbos, ball bearing turbos. We changed the intakes out to our Shorty intakes, 3.5 inch full downpipes with MBRP exhaust. We did do a cutout on the exhaust as well. Like I said, AMS fueling with high pressure fuel pump and flex fuel kit, and our low pressure fuel pump. This also has a Z1 oil catch can. So we're gonna go ahead and probably tune it around 23, 24 PSI on E50-ish. So let's see what kind of power it makes. All right, guys, so we are actually on our way to a gas station right now so we can pick up some ethanol for that car. Wanted to take this time to explain or go over the quick tuning process for Racebox and what we do. You may think that we just got done installing everything on that car and it goes directly onto the dyno. That is not true whatsoever. So once everything is installed, we work very closely with Racebox to make sure the car is extremely drivable on 93. So we do daily logs, we do idle logs. We make sure that the car is drivable and as stock as possible. The drivability of it is as stock as possible. Make sure there's no additional issues that we may see, whether it be with fuel trims, whether it be with AFR, whether it be with boost. We make sure of all of that before we even decide to throw it on the dyno. So I did not make a video of that. However, all of that has been done on this car. We spent about 2 days getting it basically driving perfect. Fuel trims are good right now. Boost levels are good. Made sure there's no issues with the heat exchanger. We did install a heat exchanger on this as well. I completely forgot it has a Z1 heat exchanger. But yeah, so all drivability is done, and when it's ready to go, that is when we throw it on the dyno. So we are here at the gas station now. I'm gonna go ahead and park and get some ethanol. All right, guys, we're back at the shop now. We're just waiting for the car to get strapped in to the dyno. Once it is, what we will do is we're gonna go ahead and make some videos for you of a few dyno pulls. And after that, after the all the tuning is done, we'll go over the dyno sheets with you guys. So enjoy. Alright guys, long day at the shop here today, and we are finally done with this Z. I know you guys want numbers, so let's go and show you the numbers. Alright guys, here we have it. You can see baseline made 396, 361, and then 93 high boost was 500. 457, E50 mid boost, we went ahead and got 620, 545. And then E50 high boost, we were at 706 and 544. And the big one, kill map, max power, 757, 583. All right, so the 757 that we made, we actually decided to dial this car back. The reason for that is because we wanted to be as reliable as possible for the client, and he really didn't want such a high horsepower number on the rear wheel drive car, right? This is in fact his daily. I mean, it's his toy, but it's also his daily, and safety is #1 concern. So we decided to dial back the high boost map, or kill map if you want to call it that, and we were able to settle with about 705, 710 for him on high boost map. His mid boost map on ethanol is still making 620. It's still very good. All right, guys, thank you for joining us again. As you saw, it was a good video. We made some really good power. I was not expecting breaking the world record here in a hot Florida day. Dyno is at like 87, 88 degrees right now. It's hot, but we did it.